Hi, I'm James Maguire, and today we're talking about cloud data warehouses, a topic that might not get as many headlines as some tech topics, but certainly makes the world go round in its own quiet way. To discuss that, I'm joined by three thought leaders in the field. With me is Neil McGovern, Vice President, Product Marketing at SAP Hana. Neil, thanks for joining us today.
Hi, thank you, James.
Also with me is Mike Matchett, Principal Analyst at Small World Big Data. Hello to you, Mike.
Hi, how are you doing today?
Fantastic. And I know
Yeah.
Small World Big Data is an IT consultancy, correct?
Yeah, we're a little industry analyst firm, and we
Mhm.
study all sorts of things from data management to data center topics.
Excellent. And rounding out our panel today is Philip On, Head of Product Marketing, Data Warehouse Cloud at SAP. Hello to you, Philip.
Hello. Hey, James. Hi, everyone.
And we talked earlier, you're down there in Los Angeles today. Is it
Yes,
sunny
I
in
am.
LA today?
Southern California is nice and sunny today.
Fantastic. So I think one of our goals today is to somehow make cloud data warehouses into an exciting, glamorous topic. I mean, they get a little short shrift. It's like, everyone talks about artificial intelligence or, predictive analytics. No one, talks about data warehouses as much, but we need to change that if possible. So I want to kind of get a sense of where the sector is, perhaps, cloud versus on-prem. I mean, I know we're talking about cloud data warehouses. What is the breakdown? I mean, obviously there must have been years when there were data warehouses before the cloud. Neil, what is your sense of the breakdown these days between what's cloud and what's on-prem? Yeah.
Yeah, for years, for about 10 years, I've been asking analysts like Mike, what point does, if a CIO asked a board for money for a new data center, they would say, that's crazy, just go in the cloud. But 5 years ago, most of the analysts, like Mike, started saying to me, yeah, people are not investing heavily in data centers any longer. They're starting to say the future is the cloud. So I think that what we saw 5 years ago was the realization that this was happening. I think what we've seen in the last year, 18 months, is really the enactment of that. It's we're seeing most of the interest that we hear for future data warehouses being cloud-based, James.
Mm-hmm. Philip, is that your sense? It's been as recently as even the last couple of years where we always put the word cloud before the word data warehouse sort of a default, or is it go back a little further than that?
Well, I think, certainly the last couple of years, we've seen it accelerate. And in this current environment where people really can't go into the office anymore, cloud has even accelerated even greater, right? So it gives the flexibility for businesses to basically go online and have access to all of these capabilities that in the past, they would have to acquire hardware, software, get people from, from IT to implement and deploy. And now, businesses have that freedom to go online, click, and then create solutions that can really gain insights into their data. So we're seeing it accelerate, and this trend in the current pandemic environment has really accelerated that. On top of that, I think that organizations, in order to run well in this business environment, in this economic environment, needs that intelligence, right, to make decisions in the moment and adapt to the current environment. And so I think that SAP is in a unique position, having 77% of the world's transactions run on SAP systems. We're one of the top 10 cloud companies in the world from a revenue perspective. So we're working with companies in all different lines of businesses and industries to help them deliver greater insights and using cloud as that enabler to speed their ability to respond to the market.
Interesting. Yeah, a lot of changes recently.